guys, it's Roxy with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's tap video, I'm actually going to do a mini combination that you can actually alternate to each side and practice your traveling pullbacks. So let's get started. Okay, so it's going to start with brush, heel, brush, heel, brush, heel, brush, heel. And then we're going to do like little Irishes, which is shuffle, heel, step, because you know if Irishes you do. But we're going to go to the back or sort of just to the side. So it's shuffle, heel, step, shuffle, heel, step. So again, that was with your brush, heel, that's starting with your right. And so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then you start with your shuffle heel, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, next we're going to do toe heels. So we're going to do toe heel step to the front, same thing to the back, toe heel step. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Next, we're going to do like step, ball, change out, step, ball, change out. Now, if you want to add a shuffle there before, feel free. So, shuffle, ball, change out, shuffle, ball, change, and out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From there, you are going to prep for double pullbacks. We're going to do 2 double pullbacks. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so traveling pullbacks, the trick is, I've done this on another video, but the trick to traveling pullbacks, you have to keep your knees bent and you can't rock back on your heels, obviously. So once you do that first double pullback, you have to stay up with those heels, and it's almost like a prep for the next pullback. So once you've done that first pullback, you're really set for the next pullback. And so once you've done, you know, the second one, you're really set for the third, and then the fourth. And then you can just keep going and going and going. And that's the trick to traveling pullbacks. So you can do like 1 at a time prep, then the second prep, third prep. And then before long, you realize I don't even have to do that prep. You'll just get the feeling of just going and going and going and going and going. And that's kind of the trick to doing traveling pullbacks. Okay, so that's my tip for the day there. But, so this just has 2 together. So you're going to do, start a little bit closer here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's your traveling pullbacks. Now, you're already there, and now you're going to start on your left the whole combination over. So that's brush, heel, brush, heel, brush, heel, brush, heel, shuffle, heel, step, shuffle, heel, step, toe, heel, step, back step, toe, heel, step. Now the shuffle, ball changes go to your left, shuffle, ball, change, step, shuffle, ball, change, step, and now you're going to prep again for the double pullbacks. Step, step, pull back, step, step, pull back. And then you're going to go again on your right. And the whole thing starts over. Okay? So that's the combination. I'll do it again from the beginning, 1 to each side, and you can kind of see how it flows with the counts. Okay? So here we go. So it's and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 6, and 7, and 8. Start again. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you can start again. All right, I hope you liked that. Subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other videos. And I'll see you in the next.